Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the security. Here we have to scroll down again, tap on advanced, and right under it we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter. And as you can see at the very bottom, we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap and confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see after that, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.